Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with admin access. Without it, you can only limit a single device. First, decide whether you block Google on one machine, on the router for the whole LAN, or at DNS. Next, collect targets Google, com, www, Google, com, and the common Google IP ranges such as 216, 58, 0, 0/16. Once done, open your router's admin page or the device's hosts file. Make sure you have a backup of current settings before changing anything. This avoids lockout and eases rollback. Now implement the block. If using the router, add firewall rules to deny traffic to Google domains and IP ranges. Prioritize network-level rules so all devices are covered. If you prefer one device, edit the hosts file to map Google domains to 127, 0, 0, 1, then flush DNS and restart the browser. Alternatively, deploy Pi-hole or a custom DNS server and add Google's domains to the blacklist. This centralizes control and logs attempts. Make sure to test from a client and note any unintended blocked services. Finish by flushing DNS caches on clients and the router, then reboot devices to ensure rules take effect. Test with nslookup and a browser. You should see resolution fail or point to localhost. If legitimate Google services break, selectively whitelist required hostnames such as Drive, Google, com. If the block doesn't work, inspect HTTPS SNI, cached DNS entries, or unintended proxy/VPN bypass. Make sure devices aren't using alternative DNS like 8.8.8.8.1 trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.